Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best EGO Lawn Mower for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion Smart Technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best EGO Lawn Mower for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. When it comes to mowing your lawn with efficiency and ease, the EGO Power Plus LM2135SP self-propelled cordless electric lawn mower stands out as a top contender. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, this mower is ideal for homeowners looking to upgrade from gas or corded models to a smarter, greener solution. Key features at a glance. Powerful 56-volt ARC lithium battery, 7.5 amp hours. Self-propelled with touch drive technology. 21-inch cutting deck. Includes rapid charger. Up to 60 minutes of runtime. What sets the EGO LM2135SP apart is its touch drive self-propulsion system, giving you full control with just the pressure of your palm. This intuitive system allows you to maneuver the mower with precision, whether you're gliding over open lawn or navigating tighter corners. Equipped with a 21-inch cutting deck, it delivers a clean, even cut across a wide path, reducing the number of passes needed and saving you time. The powerful 56-volt 7.5 amp-hour battery provides up to an hour of runtime on a single charge, making it suitable for medium to large yards. And thanks to the included rapid charger, you'll be back up and mowing in about 60 minutes. Another standout is its quiet operation and zero emissions, a big win for eco-conscious users. No fumes, no pull cord, no mess, just push the button and go. The weather-resistant build ensures long-lasting performance, and the 3-in-1 functionality, mulching, bagging, side discharge, gives you flexibility depending on your lawn care style. Why buy it? Environmentally friendly without sacrificing performance. Battery compatibility across all EGO tools. Lightweight and foldable for compact storage. No maintenance hassles like oil changes or spark plugs. EGO Power Plus LM2135SP is a premium pick for homeowners who want the convenience of cordless with the power of gas, minus the noise and fumes. It's perfect for anyone ready to embrace smart, effortless lawn care. Thanks for watching the video.